I want to tell you my real story. Don't believe what you see in the movies. They hired me only because I have great cutting skills. My mask isn't for scaring people. It's practical. These onions won't make me cry anymore. I've perfected my technique. Clean cuts, no tears, no evidence of amateur knife work. I once saw a guy who was putting the pot lid on his face. I think my mask is much more practical. Anyhow, when I'm not in the kitchen, I'm pretty active, doing lots of running around the neighborhood. As you already know, I eat fairly healthy, but every now and then I have a cheat day. I have a thing for pizza, the pineapple pizza. I like to slice the pineapple thick. It reminds me of the good old days on the set. But those Italians, they don't understand my vision. They refuse to serve what I crave, so I take matters into my own hands. Some people call me psycho. Not for the mask, not for the knife skills, but for this. But this is how I like it. This is my vice. What's yours?
Oh, che delitto! Madonna,
Did
Madonna,
you catch
hai
him?
ucciso la pizza!